We're going to the Broken Arrow Trail. We're going on the Broken Arrow Trail. So let me talk a little bit about hiking shoes. The boots always 0.5 size extra, and I do understand that when you go down, your nails might smash into the front of the boot. The tip is you need to tie your ankles pretty tight when you're going down, so your shoe is actually holding on to your ankle more than it's not loose enough for your feet to free fall towards the nose of the shoe, right? So that will really hold your So that is a pro tip. Maybe some of you might disagree, but for me, climbing multiple mountains, ranges, it really helped me because it helped me save my toes, and plus also depending on the shoe material, you can actually control your feet flexible enough. So that's another thing. So now it's actually pretty some grass, I know.